Hello, welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Not going to keep you long at all today. Very simple potato, egg, tuna salad. Got a few other little bits in there, give it a nice taste. Let's not muck about, let's get on with it. Okay, so nothing to it here. I mean, it's not going to take long at all. So I've got some potatoes. Well done, I peeled those. Give me a little wash, then I boiled them so they're quite soft in some salt water, drained them off. Hard boiled eggs. Tuna, you may have heard me say this before, try and use a nice quality tuna. You kind of get what you pay for, really. You don't want cat food, cheap ones, cat food. Chopped parsley or cilantro or basil, some sort of fresh herb, some dill maybe. I'm using parsley today. Little bit of onion, chopped small. A heaped teaspoon of mayonnaise there. Tomato again, cut small. Touch of lemon juice. Little bit of bell pepper just for colour. And here I've got a little bit of hot pepper sauce. I'm actually using this one, Encona, which is my favourite. It's quite hot, that one. But yeah, I mean, optional. You don't have to do that. Very simply, chop the eggs, get it all in, mix it up, done. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment and all that stuff, will ya? Okay, so nothing to it. Mixing bowl, potatoes are in, tuna's in. By the way, if you're using the tuna with comes in olive oil, you can use that. It's quite nice in there. That one came in some water, so I drained it off. Tomato, egg, chop that up. Little bit of bell pepper, just for a little bit of colour. The onion, nice and small. Could use green or spring onions if you want. Tiny amount of lemon juice. A fresh herb of your choice chopped. Some black pepper. Some salt. That mayonnaise, and again, I'm not going crazy with the mayonnaise. I don't want it swimming in there. Little bit of hot pepper sauce, optional, but I think it's delicious. And then very simply, we're gonna give this a little mix up and we're done. See you in a moment. And that is it. Very, very simple, nice and tasty. Play around with it if you want, get some cucumber in there, some green onions or spring onions, stuff like that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.